Welcome to the Better Eye Health Podcast with Damon P. Miller II, MD. This particular podcast is an excerpt from the weekly conference calls. Dr. Miller focuses on different topics connected to the Better Eye Health program. The topic of this session is when do you need a larger dose of lutein? Here is Dr. Miller.
We recommend 40 to 80 milligrams of lutein. And when would you take 80 instead of 40? And one of the reasons I didn't do it, the answer is a little complex with a couple of parts, but I'll make it brief and succinct here. The basic protocol, the reason we start everybody out on the same protocol is that for many people, that's enough. They get all the benefits they need. Their eyes start to improve. Their vision improves. There was a woman Morgan was talking to yesterday who's been in the program not that long, maybe about a year, close to a year now. And she just got her driver's license back. She was really excited, and we're trying to get her to come on the call maybe just as a guest speaker since she usually is working and can't be on the call. But she's been taking just the basic protocol. And so if the basic protocol is all you need, great. Why add more? Just do that. And so that's true of the dosing, too. 40 milligrams is kind of the minimum we recommend, and that number comes from a huge body of work that was done with lutein, looking at the benefits of lutein in people with eye disease. And all of the studies that showed benefit, people were taking a minimum of 40 milligrams of high-quality lutein, so the FloraGlo lutein. And if you're not taking a product with FloraGlo lutein in it, then you may need 80 milligrams of a cheaper lutein. But if you're doing the 40 milligrams of lutein, you've been doing that for a couple of months, and you're still telling me that you're having trouble with a lot of vision problems at night, glare is a problem for you, you're having trouble adapting back to normal room light when you come in from bright sun, just some of the things that would tell me that you may not be getting enough lutein, then we would go to 60 or 80 milligrams because you actually have symptoms, despite taking the basic dose of lutein, you have symptoms that say you're not getting enough lutein, and we tell you take more. Just take more of what you already have. And that's where it becomes kind of personalized, and that's where, once you're into the program for a few months and we're talking, that's where we would say, you would tell me, I'm still having these problems or I'm not seeing the results I want, and that's where we would say, let's try playing first with just trying maybe larger doses of what you have before adding anything else.
Tune in for more podcasts and other presentations. Go to www.bettereyehealth.com. There is hope for sight.